In front of me is SONY Xperia 17 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Device Connection right away. Then choose Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one you wish to connect to. Use this switcher next to also allow access to contacts and call history to enable or disable this option, and when you're ready, hit pair at the bottom right corner. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this gear right next to your connected device and hit Forget next to connect. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!